Okay, so I'm gonna do a challenge that one of my friends sent me ages ago, so I'm doing it now. I'm basically gonna take some firecracker sauce. I don't like hot stuff, so this is gonna be terrible for me. Sorry, but I might go bad. Here we go. Let me just get it to now. Come back to you. Okay. Okay, so now I have the firecracker sauce. Let me just put it on the teaspoon. Here it is. Don't know if you can really see if it is, but it is. Okay, here we go. My leg is burning, literally. Hold on. Okay, that's that done. Remember to subscribe and everything. See ya, bye.